Hi everyone, this is Nagarjuna and welcome to our channel Swagruha. Well, yesterday I have posted a pic in our social media pages and asked you people to guess what we are going to be building as our next DIY project. Well, some of you have reacted to it, but none came close to guessing out what it is. Well, I can understand that most of your guesses were based upon our previous DIY projects. This time around, we thought of building one that's going to be useful for our channel and, to be specific, for our future content creation. And with that, let's see what it is. If you are still trying to figure out what it is tripod, people. To be specific, tripod for mobile. All that you need are a bunch of pipes and 2 empty bottles. That's it. I know this is the last thing anyone can think of from us, but this is what we were working on for the last couple of days. I'll be explaining you how it works, how far it can be customized, and the need of it for us, and as a matter of fact, for any budding YouTubers, and how far it will be useful for you, and to be specific, the photographer in you at the end of this video. And with that, let's get into the making of it. Hi, it's me again. As you can see here, the setting is fairly simple. The cutouts were fitted into the pipes. Here you can tape them if you choose to, but we left it as it is. This is because Rather than having just one height setting, we chose to have options. Since the pipes and bottle cutouts were not taped, we can accommodate this movement of the holding stick. Also, these tripod pipes themselves acts as holders to this holding stick, so that there is no need of separate mechanism. One more thing is, if you think these tripod sticks won't be able to hold your mobile in position at desired height, you can use this type of oil caps. If there is a mismatch between the pipe and this bottle hole, then you can use this type of setup so that there will be a firm grip and there won't be any wobbling with the bottle. Also, you can choose to have a more fixed option by fitting these caps which were glued together and then fitting the upper bottle. This way you can just place the tripod at a certain angle and you can use it. Now let's see how it works. It's a fairly simple thing to work with it. All that you need to do is, we need to insert a smartphone with which we are planning to take the video, and once the controls and all are set up in the smartphone, we need to adjust the height, and that's it. Now coming to the need of this, we at Swagruha are planning to do tech related videos majorly focused on mobiles and its accessories, at least one video per week initially. Unlike cookery and DIY videos which we are doing, this requires positioning of phone at a certain angle for a substantial amount of time, and hence the need of tripod. You might ask me as to why building it when there are tripods available at as low as 500 bucks. But DIY being our main motto, it didn't make sense to us buying one, especially once we got to know building it doesn't require any special equipment. Coming back to the point of tech videos, please let us know on which areas you want me to focus on. Your feedback and suggestions are important to us. Now let us see its uses for you, especially in photography. Most of you might have known about me posting pics in social media, especially those of night and evening skies. This will be very useful in such scenarios. Apart from those, this will be useful in capturing time-lapse videos and time trail photography. I'll be speaking about how to take such kind of shots and how to edit them and the tech behind it in another separate video. One more important use of it is in TikTok content creation. If you are into TikTok, you might have already known the importance of such a gadget. For that, you need to make one small adjustment. Instead of the horizontal cutout, you need to make a vertical cutout and also one cutout at the back to access the video controls. That's it. Your homemade tripod for TikTok is ready. Please let me know your experience upon building it, because even for a time pass, it is worthy of a build. Also, please share this video if you liked it, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Please ask others to subscribe too if they liked our content. Once again, thanks for watching and keeping up with me until the very end. See you in our next video. Until then, this is Nagarjuna signing off.